Hello, Matt here. As you saw in the last short video, Mini is off to get the cage installed. So yeah, we're off to some other projects because I have plenty of those. So of course, naturally, I've got another one. As always, main question is, what the fuck is it? As you can see, it's I don't know what the fuck that is. It smells though. I just driven it and my god, this is fun on wheels. That's how I'll call it. See, okay, let me explain this. I told you I'll not be getting any new projects, and I won't. Even though, of course I will, but we won't call this a project. No, that's just a fun beater. And this is the reason why I got this car. It's 1.4, 16 valves, and well, we need the engine. Actually, we need to do the swap. And to do the swap, it's best to have the donor. And I mean, can you call this a car? No, it's a donor vehicle. 1.4. You may have seen the Red Twingo lurching around here somewhere or driving races and whatever. We'll be building his car after the season, so end of this year. We'll be fitting that engine so he can fit the 1.4 class, and then, well, I thought we'll be scrapping this car. I'm not so sure about that anymore. But hey, as I said, it's a real beater. Look at this. Everything here was crashed. Look at this. Not just that. I mean, I will show you in the back, but I need to hold this with my head because it's fucking broken. The struts aren't holding. But, oh, damn it. You can see it was crashed here. Also, bent. Yeah. Oh, this shit is missing. Again, crashed. Everything was crashed. Also, this one is cracked. Not that bad, but it works. Okay, whatever. That's nice dual lens headlights like the ERS had, but whatever. Also, this is broken. I already fixed that. Not just that. Many things were broken on this car. The window didn't work. Well, now it does work. Just fixed the plug on the motor, but yeah, also this was loose, so cheap fix. This shit was broken, you couldn't open the door. Fixed, cheap fix. I'm getting new ones. They are like €3 a piece, and the other one is the same. So yeah, it's a disgusting car. I mean, everything in here is disgusting. It has 5 doors. Disgusting car. Paint fucking can get worse than this, but I don't care. We need the engine, and then, well, we are going to race this car. Let me explain. Now, at one point, we will get the Mini to work, and it will be a slalom contender. It will kill in slalom. I'm pretty sure of that. I'm aiming for very high spots, and hopefully we'll get there. But we also drive chronometers, and ain't nobody got time to tow a car halfway across Croatia to get to the race, which Mini won't be that great in those kind of races. And there's also a thing called Formula Driver, which is basically a hill climb event, and there are some good hill climbs in Croatia. I'm sure you heard of Skradin and Buzet. I mean, Bongo Hill Climb Monsters show, that's in Skradin. So imagine that track, just with the main straights are limited by the chicanes made by tires, so they can slow down the cars, which means we can drive stock cars. And class 1 is up to 1.4, and this is 1.4 16 valve, 95-ish horsepower, even though it has a misfire. We need to sort that out. But yeah, how fun will this be? And you saw how beat up that car is, so I don't give a fuck about it. I can do whatever I want to it because I don't care. If I crash it into a ditch, I'll try to get out of the ditch and continue the race. If not, we'll pull it out, slap it back together and drive it off. If not, we'll take the engine out and scrap the car. That's the beauty of it. And yeah, I think it's a good plan. I know you don't want to see new projects while most of my cars aren't finished, but this will be fun. It's a mini series. This is the first video. We'll probably have one more video. I mean, I didn't show you how I fixed all the stuff that didn't work. I still have to fix the heater because I'm fucking freezing. I mean, it's sub-zero temperatures all day long, and that car is not heating. But hey, runs, drives, everything. And the best part, I can use the tires because Mini will run the Mini Extreme 195/50/15, so it all fits. Again, perfect. Couldn't be better. And yeah, that's the plan. As I said, short few updates. I do still have some suspension work to do, and I do can you hear the ticking? That's not good. Need to sort that out also. But hey, as I said, I have the tires, wheels and tires. That's the most important part. Brakes are pretty good, stock, decent. Probably just change the fluid, should work. And suspension setup, I don't know. It's very fun this way. You can just, I mean, off-roading, going over speed bumps, you just don't care. You're just over it. But I do have, you know, the yellow Twingo, my brother's Twingo. He's getting coilovers, very cheap ones. Hopefully we'll get him to work because I want his car to be very competitive. Then I'll have Bilsteins and Twingo RS springs, so I'll play with that a bit. And of course I'll play with some stuff that I cannot really show you because it's a gray zone. I don't want to go into gray zone. I don't want to be disqualified like it was with my Minis. So few stuff I'll show you after the season, but we'll get this car to work. That's it. This is the first video. We'll have another one with a bit of suspension mods and a bit of playing around, maybe fitting a sports seat, maybe a steering wheel, maybe not, who cares. And then the races, and that's it. And I really hope you like this one because this is what I do best, and this is what I love most. I don't know if I said it. 500 euro, and it's registered. It's MOT. It's legal. It's, I mean, I'm driving it. It's beautiful. And yeah, 500 euro. As I said, we're taking the engine out. That's 300 euro back, and I can scrap the car for 200 euro any day of the week. So basically a zero, just the registration, which I'll have to renew sometime in the spring, but whatever. But hey, hope you like it. This will be wild, this will be cheap, this will be quick, and this will be no fucks given. You can sit on the bonnet, you can jump on the roof. I don't give a fuck because it's a beater. And yeah, I might just show you how it drives because it's fun as hell. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a like. Make sure to subscribe to see what happens to this, and of course the Mini, because the Mini is the main project and it will be built as a car should be built. But hey, we also need to have some fun. So yeah, that's it. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I really hope to see you in the next one. Bye!